Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to create a wish list on Amazon. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for amazon.com. So here it is. Now choose the item you would like to add on wish list. So let's go for this one. Now simply scroll down. And here we can see this option called add to list. Simply tap on this down arrow. And here we can see this option called create a list. So let's tap on this and you can name this anything you want. So let's write it wish list and simply click on create list now. And if you want to continue shopping, simply click on continue shopping. And if you want to view the list, simply click on view list here. And here's this first item I have added to my new list. So this is all we can do to create wish list on Amazon. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.